If you're seeking comprehensive dental care for you and your family, then Dentistry by Dr. Kaplansky is the provider for you. Located a short drive from the North Towns, Dr. Kaplansky has been practicing dentistry for over 20 years. He and his staff know how to put their patients' mind at ease. That is why Dr. Kaplansky offers an unmatched range of services that can provide any necessary treatment or procedure all under one roof. From Invisalign and braces for kids and adults to dental implants, save yourself the inconvenience of traveling to multiple offices and instead get everything you need by simply coming to Dentistry by Dr. Kaplansky. Our goal is to provide you with the highest level of care and to do it using completely personalized plans that are tailored to meet your needs, desires, and budget. And you can always trust us to recommend the most practical and efficient treatment methods for your circumstances. Mostly, Dr. Kaplansky wants you to look great, feel great, and be 100% satisfied with your experience. But you don't have to take our word for it.
In years past, I've always been shied away from wanting to go to the dentist because of incidents that have happened. And now I find somebody who has done the right thing for me, and I'm grateful because it's improved my way of life.
Thanks to Dr. Kaplansky and his staff, I feel like they take very good care of my teeth, and I am very, very happy and thankful to all of them.
I feel 100% confident that the implants I received have completely changed my life and made it much better.
He has everything here at his hands in this facility. He won't ever have to really get sent anywhere to a specialist.
As far as taking care of myself and my health and my own well-being, definitely the best investment I've ever made. I wouldn't trust my teeth with anybody else.